Today I'm going to show you how to change the air filter on this 2015 Buick Encore with the 1.4 liter turbo engine. Engine hood release. So now that we got the hood open, we're going to go over to where the air filter box is, and the filter is going to be underneath this cover. And there's going to be two Phillips screws, one there and one right there. Once that's loose, you're going to want to lift up just a little bit on the left side and then pull to the left, and then bring the left side up first. There's some clips on the right side that hold it in. So here's our air filter. So here's our two filters side by side. The new one is the left one and the right one's the old one. The new one is a Fram Ultra Air 11501. I will put that in the description below. And right now off camera I'm just going to clean the inside of that box. And I'm just going to be using some paper towels and some Simply Green degreaser. When I clean it though, I'm going to spray the degreaser on the rag first and then wipe out the box. What I don't want to do is get it stuck in there and then have a bunch of moisture in there. So just gonna clean it out. So now that box is all cleaned out, we can get rid of the old one and put in the new one. You're gonna want these fins to be facing down. Alright, and that's it. All I'm going to do is just take this for a test drive, make sure everything sounds good and nothing vibrates loose. And that's it. So, thanks for watching.